Welcome, treasure hunters and history enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of modern numismatic legends, focusing on a small piece of metal that holds a story far greater than its size suggests. First up, we are examining a true icon of Australian coinage, the 2001 50-cent coin minted to commemorate the Centenary of Federation. This isn't just spare change, it's a deliberate piece of national heritage cast in metal. Its history begins with a monumental moment. The year 2001 marked 100 years since Australia's 6 colonies federated to become one nation. This coin was the official, circulating memorial of that event. Why was it made? The government intended every Australian to hold a piece of this centenary in their hands. It was meant to be spent, saved, and discovered, a daily reminder of national unity and history. But here is where the plot thickens. This coin was struck in aluminum bronze, a first for the 50-cent denomination, giving it a distinct golden hue unlike the traditional silver cupronickel coins. The design is powerful. It features the Australian coat of arms in exceptional detail with the 6 state badges surrounding it, symbolizing the coming together of the Federation. The inscription 19012001 seals its commemorative purpose. Now let's address the burning question, its value. Is it valuable? The answer is a resounding yes, but with a crucial caveat. Its worth is not found in every pocket change example. Millions were minted for circulation, and those worn, spent coins hold primarily sentimental value. The true treasure, the pinnacle of this coin's worth, lies in a specific, pristine condition. We are talking about the coins that were never meant to be touched by human hands, those preserved in flawless mint state directly from the Royal Australian Mint. Specifically, the coins issued in official mint rolls, mint sets, and especially the premium collector editions like the year 2000 Millennium Mint set, which included this commemorative coin. These coins, never circulated and bearing no imperfections, are the undisputed champions of value. They have been safeguarded from the moment they were struck. Their value escalates dramatically due to grade. A coin professionally graded by services like PCGS or NGC as MS66, MS67 or higher is where the market truly ignites. A top-tier, perfect-grade example of this 2001 Federation 50-cent coin is exceptionally rare. The search for the ultimate specimen, one with flawless surfaces and stunning detail, is a quest for many serious collectors. So, what is the maximum price you can achieve? While a circulated coin may bring a few dollars, a gem mint state example from an original set has consistently sold for impressive figures. At the absolute peak for a perfect graded coin in MS67 or above, verified and sealed by the top grading authorities, you are looking at a value that can reach into the hundreds of dollars. I have seen exceptional certified examples command prices between $400 and even $500 in the right auction setting, a staggering return on a 50-cent face value. This value is driven by passionate collectors seeking the very best. They are not just buying a coin, they are acquiring a perfect artifact of a once-in-a-century celebration. Imagine owning a piece that is as pristine as the day it was minted, a century after the event it commemorates. That is the power of premium numismatics. Do not underestimate what you might have in an old drawer or a forgotten collection. This golden-hued 50-cent piece could be your hidden treasure. Examine it closely. If it shines without a single scratch, nick, or fingerprint, you may be holding a small fortune. Your next step is professional authentication and grading. The journey from pocket change to prized collection centerpiece is real. This 2001 Federation 50-cent coin stands as a brilliant testament to that potential. Start looking, because history and significant value are waiting to be discovered.